Hi, and welcome to our presentation of a virtual personal assistant by myself, James Smoot, and Daniel Cooper. What is a virtual personal assistant? Well, a VPA is a software-based entity designed to interface with users by the same way humans normally communicate, using speech. It's an emerging technology that consists of speech recognition, artificial intelligence, and a responsive voice user interface. VPAs are redefining how humans interact with computers. It's one of the fastest growing areas in AI. It has a significant market penetration, and it's inspired, believe it or not, from technology found in science fictions, such as Star Trek's Talking Computer, Iron Man's Jarvis, and HAL from 2001 Space Odyssey. A little history. In 1962, IBM created the shoebox. In 1971, Harpy was created. It's a Carnegie Mellon DARPA creation, and it understood about 1,000 words. In 1990, Dragon Dictates, which was Dragon software, had continuous speech recognition and transition, which in effect was placed in the personal computers text-to-speech as we know of today. And then in 2001, Apple launched Siri. It was the first modern virtual personal assistant. Today's virtual personal assistants consists of hardware and software. The Google Assist, Amazon Alexa, and Apple Siri are the hardware devices that are used. They're powered by a software backend, which was cloud computing, which is internet, speech recognition, and artificial intelligence. The capabilities are enormous. You have information searches, you have media playback, you have navigation, you can do smart shopping, you have Internet of Things, smart device control, and the game and the attitudes and the control systems and the capabilities continue to grow. Looking forward, they came up with a process called federated learning, and it was developed by Google. What it did was decentralize data from clouds instead of storage and processing data on individual devices. It improved data privacy and processing speeds. It decentralized AI training, and devices began to learn from each other. Remember, it's very important. They were able to communicate and learn from each other. The future of virtual personal assistants. Well, what will the technology be like in 10 years? Of course, who knows? But I think it'll be found in every home, workplace, school, and public place. The UI will become a conversational UI or speech-related UI will become standard in every operating system of every computer, appliance, wearables, tech, you name it, wash machine, dryer, refrigerator. It'll all be probably conversational. It'll all be speech-related. It's very, very accessible. It's very intelligent and adaptive to intelligence. So you're no longer limited to predefined responses, and it can accomplish complex tasks, and it enhances the connectivity of an awareness of a smart device. Future benefits? Well, it improved personal experiences. The voice UI and visual response to voice user queries with both slow and tell, better privacy and security, improved production, and social health benefits such as Fitbit, for example, can tell you how many steps you're making, your heart rate, even systems to tell blood pressure by simply asking a question. The potential unintended consequences. Now, this is the negative, the dark side of the system. There are security risks. Okay, People are concerned with, say, for an Alexa, listening to everything that's said in their household. Okay, and it will impact the workforce. Jobs might be replaced by a virtual private assistant rather than a human being doing the job. It has negative cognitive implants because basically it diminishes memory, retention, and recall. Why should you remember something or hold or be able to recall it when you can simply say, Alexa, what was the game yesterday? And of course, there's a social disconnection where when you become too dependent and all you use is your virtual private assistant and you don't talk to anybody else, you kind of lose contact with the social fabric that surrounds you. Our evaluation of the system is pretty much here. We feel it has a lot of potential and deserves continued investment. Some of the top benefits is highly intuitive. The voice UI, interacts with information pretty fast, and it's very personalized, meaning you have literally it will remember what you brought or what you purchased through it last week, and if you ask for that again, it'll know where you went, what you bought, and create an order for you. That the Alexa right now will shop for you. It will check and see if you have a package that's on the way and what the status of the package is. So it's very personalized. Some of the biggest concerns is users can become very dependent on it, and it could lead to a negative disruption of workforce. Personal data's privacy is another problem holding back adoption of technology. So it might hold back other technology because people just get lazy and want to use it. In conclusion, we find that a virtual private assistant that uses a voice or speech control system is a pretty nice system to have. In the future, we expect it to grow pretty largely. Currently, here's a diagram you might find interesting of all the software that's out there that has some kind of speech or some kind of speech-enabled capabilities. We hope you enjoyed our presentation today, and you have a great one. Thank you.